In this video, we are going to see how we can send a photo or a video in a message to any specific person on TikTok. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All we have to do is down here at the bottom, you will see this inbox icon right here. You click on that, and here we have a couple of users. From here, we just choose any user. Let's say this one right here. I'll just choose that. And from here, we can easily click a photo. Let's say we click it now, and we should be able to send to this person directly. Also, what you can do is just go to the gallery, and you should be able to attach any specific videos that you have taken from your camera directly, or you wanna send it via TikTok. You have all of these options. But if you don't have it, just make sure that to go to Play Store and click on search, and right here TikTok, open that up, and if it shows you the option to update this, just make sure to update this so that you can get all the latest features that TikTok offers. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.